this across to Divyesh Singh again. Divyesh, the big focus today is on whether Rhea Chakrabarti is going to be arrested or not. NCB sources have said that, look, we'll wait and watch based on Rhea Chakrabarti's answers. We'll see if we have to take her into custody. As far as Rhea is concerned, while she didn't take any of the questions from you or the other reporters at the NCB office, she did issue a statement via her lawyer in which she said, I'm ready for arrest.
Yeah, right, Akshita. Rhea Chakrabarti's lawyer, Satish Maneshande, has issued a statement where she says that she's ready for arrest, and this is a witch hunt that has been going on against her, and if she has to face consequences for loving someone, she is ready for that. In fact, in an exclusive interview to India Today, Rhea Chakrabarti had clearly said that she has never consumed or dealt into any kind of drugs, and she is ready for a drug test. So, but she did evade a lot of questions. She did not give any clarity on that, stating that this could harm the probe that was being carried out by other agencies. Meanwhile, the Narcotics Control Bureau officials who are probing this case have started recording statement of Rhea Chakrabarti. She is being questioned right now by a superintendent level officer who will be joined by senior officials, Deputy Director KPS Malhotra, Deputy Director M.A. Jain and Zonal Director Samir Wankhede, who will also quiz Rhea Chakrabarti. Her statement will be initially recorded, after which they will see if there are contradictions or there is any inconsistency in details provided by Samuel Miranda, Dipesh Sawant and Shovik Chakrabarti. Once those are matched, she could be confronted with them. And if she, despite that, she evades answers and does not provide all details to the Narcotics Control Bureau, she could be charged with non-cooperation and could be placed under arrest. And as Munish pointed out, it could happen before sunset, because citing female, there are rules which state that female, if she has to be arrested for any crime in the country, she has to be arrested before the sunset.
Okay,
and arrest memo could be served to her.
Okay, let me just take this across also to Munish. Munish, I just want you to break down for our viewers the kind of charges at this point that Rhea faces. Even as she is being interrogated, as far as the NCB is concerned, they've charged her at this point at least with procurement, with consumption and several other issues.
Yeah, well, Akshita, you know, questioning is going on at this point of time, but what's important are two things. First of all, the charges. Charges is not only consumption of drugs, but also about supplying, peddling of drugs. This becomes very serious. Supplying and peddling becomes very serious. And what are the evidence available with the investigative agencies? The first evidence is the WhatsApp chat. These are electronic evidence, but these are scientific evidence also, because it was recovered by the Enforcement Directorate from her cell phone, from the data dump. So there is no denial whether there was such conversation or not. Second thing is that they have the statement from at least three people, Shovik Chakrabarti, Samuel Miranda and Dipesh Sawant, who have directly taken name of Rhea Chakrabarti. Now it is completely different whether she denies any allegation, whether she says that I was not consuming drugs, but still she will be arrested. And why she will be arrested? Because she was taking drugs according to Shovik Chakrabarti, Samuel Miranda and the other person, Dipesh Sawant. So this becomes very important here. The second important point is the electronic evidence. On these grounds, the NCB is all set to arrest her, and the crime information report, which was accessed by India Today, according to that crime information report, the charges she is facing is not only peddling and supplying, but also consumption of drugs. And what we have been given to understand is that this is going to be very serious for Rhea Chakrabarti, because what they have done is that on similar grounds, Shovik Chakrabarti was arrested, on similar grounds, Dipesh Sawant was arrested, and there is a high possibility when she will be confronted with the statements of these people, if she denies, then she might be confronted physically with Shovik Chakrabarti, her own brother, also with Dipesh Sawant and the other people. Also, Akshita, if you allow me a minute, there are also people who have come here just to support Sushant Singh Rajput. Ma'am, कहाँ से आई हैं आप? क्या कहना चाहिए? थाने से आप लोग आए हुए हैं, क्यों आए यहाँ पे? तो रिया चक्रवर्ती, सुशांत, सपोर्ट फॉर सुशांत। क्या लगता है आप लोग को?
नहीं, जो एक्चुअली उनको पकड़ना चाहिए बस। जो फैक्ट है वो मालूम पड़ना चाहिए, इसलिए हम लोग 2 महीने से कंटिन्यू टीवी भी देख रहे हैं, क्या डेवलपमेंट है वो देख रहे हैं हम लोग।
अच्छा, क्या लगता है आपको, रिया चक्रवर्ती बेकसूर है? क्या लगता है आप लोग को कि क्या वही गुनहगार है इसमें? क्या लगता है?
मैटर सब जुडिस है, कांट से एनीथिंग।
बट यू वांट जस्टिस फॉर सुशांत?
या डेफिनेटली।
Okay. What's your good name?
अशोक।
So it was Mr. Ashok. He has come from Thane, almost 40 kilometers away from where I am standing. But this is type of support which is which the people are giving for Sushant Singh Rajput. But end of the day, it will be for the investigators that what they exactly found out during the questioning, and based on that, on what charges she will be arrested.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.